Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today we're figuring out where the heck all of my money is going every month. Start the clock. Subscription fatigue is a very real thing. There are so many things to subscribe to. Music streaming, TV, prepackaged dinners, game services, the list goes on and on. So I'm here to help you manage it and probably save some money in the process. The first thing to do is take stock of your subscriptions. I have two notes on my phone, one for tracking my monthly subscriptions and another for yearly ones. Just seeing these total counts will be a wake-up call, and you can start making decisions on what to trim and what to keep. You'll notice that my monthly note is split into two sections, and that leads me to my second tip. Decide which subscriptions you'll keep long-term and which ones you're just trying out for now. The thing to remember about subscriptions is that you can cancel them, and you should, like all the time. Want to watch the new season of Stranger Things? Just pay for a month of Netflix, binge the show, and then cancel. Speaking of canceling, always set a reminder for a few days before the next bill payment or when the free trial is about to end. Do this the minute you sign up for the service. That way you can decide to cancel instead of accidentally paying for a month, and then another month, and another month, and so on. Those are just three really basic things that I do to make sure that my bank account doesn't drown in a sea of subscriptions. But I'd love to hear the techniques that you use, so let me know in the comments below. And if you don't manage your subscriptions and your credit card bill at the end of each month is like a little surprise, please tell me why you're doing that too. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have a tech question you want me to try and tackle in 90 seconds or less, leave a comment below or email me. And as always, subscribe to Lifehacker on YouTube.